In this video, we'll have a look at how you can enable the marketing feature within the Rhino app. So if we click up on your features, this lists all the features available. Click on marketing. It just explains some of the benefits of using the marketing engine. So we just click on this to enable the feature. Once we enable it, it presents this tab up here, which gives us another opportunity to create attributes or search tags that can be attached to a contact. The idea is that we can then filter our list of contacts using these search tags, which is particularly interesting when you're using the marketing engine. So all I've got to do is click on save. Okay, so what happens when I've enabled the feature? The first thing, if I click on contacts, I now see this button down here called send email. But before we do that, we should look into the system settings, and this is where we can set up email templates. Got a couple of examples that I've set up already. One of them is a new customer welcome email. So if I click on that, and we can click on edit, and we can use all of the formatting. So we can use bold, italic, set up different font sizes, different fonts, and so on. You can also include attachments. So if you wanted to send out a survey to all of your customers or whatever, you can include attachments in the template. So I'm just going to cancel that. Now that I've got my templates defined, if I click back on contacts, and let's say I filter all of the customers, to email all of those customers, all I've got to do is click on send email. It now asks me which template I want to send. So I just click on this one. It automatically populates all of their email addresses into the sent items. So this is into the BCC field, which is hidden from each of the individual contacts. And it gives you another opportunity to actually go in and tailor this template. So if I did want to add some additional information in there, I could. And then all you've got to do is click on send, and this will send the email out. An important thing to note is that we use a specialist piece of software that allows you to send large volumes of emails whilst protecting your email address from being blacklisted. Okay, so that's the setting up and using the marketing feature in Rhino.